Model, 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 130PS 340 Trend Kombi L1N1 Factory Crew Cab Nice Starstruck. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 73,718. MOT, 4 July 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, just had a major